the First World War, the World War begins. Austria declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. Russia क्या किया? They wanted to defend Serbia, so they mobilized their troops. Now, Germany ever declared war on Russia. So first Austria on Serbia, Russia wanted to protect Serbia, and then so Russia was involved in it, and then Germany turned against Russia on August 1st and on France on 3rd August. Great Britain now declared war on Germany on 4th August when the German army जाके Belgium invade किया. So all the five powers, Austria, Germany, Russia, France and Britain all joined in the open warfare. That's why it's called a world war. Turkey and Bulgaria joined again the side of Germany. Italy left the Triple Alliance and joined the war against Germany and Austria-Hungary के खिलाफ. Italy also joined कर लिया. Then Japan declared war on Germany with the aim of capturing the German colonies ताकि वो ईस्टर्न जो German colony है वो हड़पने के लिए they also joined the war. Now what was the course of the war? Actually, it was fought in 3 continents. First, Western Front, all quiet in Western Front. यही तो अच्छा. For about 3 years, the scales of war were tilted in Germany's favor में था war. The German army could reach up to Marne river तक पहुंचा जो कि खाली पेरिस से थोड़ा ही दूर में था, 15 miles from Paris. But the Anglo-French army succeeded in checking the लेकिन Anglo-French army वो लोग को check कर दिया German army को. For the first time, Britain used tanks, which became a major weapon in the war after that. Germany again launched submarine warfare against Britain. And Britain's newest and fastest Atlantic liner, that is ship, Lusitania, had sailed from New York for, actually वो लोग का ship निकला था, Lusitania, लिवरपूल के लिए, carrying many American and European passengers को carry कर रहा था. तो a few miles off जब वो जा रहा था Irish coast में, she was struck by a torpedo. अचानक submerged U-boat से torpedo आया. The people of the United States were extremely shocked. On 6th April 1917, then America वो समझ गया कि तरमने ये Germany का काम था. Now they started war on Germany. This placed at the disposal of the Allies, America's huge resource hub came into force, both in men and in money. There was now no doubt about which side would finally win the war. एक बार बोझाई जा सकता है. इसके बाद ही तो पूरा change हो गया ना demography. War demography we can say. मतलब आगे जो यूरोप जितना ऊंचा था अब यूरोप गिरेगा, अमेरिका उठेगा. एक बार ईस्टर्न फ्रंट में क्या हुआ था? Lay from the Baltic से Black Sea तक ईस्टर्न फ्रंट था. The Russians had now to fight. Russians अब 2 fronts में fight कर रहा था, Western, Eastern. हाँ, against Germany भी, against Austria-Hungary भी. 1916 Germany captured Bucharest, which is Eastern Europe, capital of Romania. By capturing Romania, Germany को kerosene, petrol and grains in abundance मिल गया. Now Turkey also came into war. In November 1914, Germany secured the support of Turkey का support मिल गया against her enemies in the war. So Turkey supported Germany. ये तुमको करना होगा ना, कौन किसको support किया, ऐसे ही 2 facet में पूरा cover up हो गया. The British army defeated the Turkish army and captured Syria और Palestine, दोनों capture कर लिया British ने. Later the Turkish army was forced to evacuate. फिर Mesopotamia, Iraq भी वो लोग को छोड़ना पड़ा. And Turkey surrendered on 31st October 1918. Till now, this is the course of the war.